Today we're going to be focusing on setting up your practice. Choose to meditate at the same time every day. I don't know for you, but starting 8:30 a.m. I am not mine anymore. I start doing my afternoon practice anytime starting 5 p.m. As soon as 5 p.m. kicks in, I start thinking, let's do the meditation. Is your meditation spot inviting? Can you smile just by thinking about the place where you meditate? Set up a special meditation space. Is it a place that begs you to sit in there and enjoy? Choose a comfortable cushion, nice blanket. You can use incense, you can use candles. Make this place inviting. Have a meditation buddy. Somebody that you can connect with, hold each other accountable. Some people in this group may probably be interested to partner up. If you're looking for a meditation buddy, shoot me a message and I will be happy to match you with someone that will hold you and that you will hold accountable in this journey toward a regular meditation. Keep it short. You don't have time to meditate 20 minutes in the morning and 20 minutes in the night time? Make 10 minutes, 5 minutes. Less and consistent is more important than big and interrupted. Exercise self-compassion. What does it mean? It means that you are living a human life experience like everybody else, and that you will make mistakes like everybody else. Another part of that is self-kindness. It's okay if you miss a day or 2 or 6. Focus on the benefit it brings you. It will be easier to include that practice. Remember your why. It's easier to implement a habit if you tie it to your core value. Why are you meditating? Maybe you're a parent and it makes you a better parent. Maybe you're a team leader. Maybe it's for health purposes. Identify your why. Why is meditation good for you in your life? And how it will have amazing benefits 2, 3, 4 years down the road. Looking back at today as a time where you renew your vow to meditate. Patience! Rome was not built in a day. Results don't appear right away, even if they can sometimes. So be patient with yourself. Little by little, progress will appear on your life, inside out. See you tomorrow.